Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attracting, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Disease and poison is something a person can be so accustomed to that they will seem unharmed while those around them are made sick or killed. It is not so much what religion you claim as beliefs and actions. Social order is not that each decides what is good and true, but each can have freedom. There is a difference between sense and object. People should be led by more knowledgeable individuals. We shouldn't be as the donkey, but make the tradition we carry our own with understanding and practice. Don't be as the dog, but direct your sentiment. There is a measuring in wealth, in how well society takes care of animals, and how it gives people who are no longer able to do their jobs retirement. And sometimes you have to switch jobs, but you know what I mean. Politicians should not stay in office after they are not physically or mentally able. A God can do everything material through others and not have to do anything. Power and senses shouldn't be sought for themselves. Prove your seriousness as a devotee and seeker of knowledge. Some disciplines are a waste of time, like the secularized reasons of yoga and tantra. God consciousness and perfecting it doesn't necessitate forming other sects. Sacred scripture must only be by the liberated and refer to past, present, and future. Factions shouldn't. Factions should police each other and themselves. Signs of the Dark Ages are that people will decide marriage based on lust and rely on approval of the government for, even to say whether or not they should marry. Now, I do believe government should stand in the way of certain things, bride kidnapping and forced marriage and all that. But the past, present, future, and character must be considered for marriage and other reasons. Not all people should have the same diet. There will always be thrice the portions of news for the spiritual world as the material world. Are you ready to read 20,000 pages, inspired, or even revealed by God? Bhava vrata dara yetcha tan samandurata pasandenas te bhavantu satchastra parepandena. Becoming vowed to please who and such principles that they follow. they, become atheist in a way, because they're diverted from transcendental scripture injunctions. And so be careful who and what you pick your life path for. It's the context of that verse, the story of Daksha and what he thinks that Shiva wants and that sort of thing is why we're running into that. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. From the highest to the lowest vibrations. Sorry about the book sounds. Realize how the internal and external embodies the formulas that you use spiritually. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.